Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to change the color of the plot title in MATLAB. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe because you'd like the title of a plot of yours to have a different color as opposed to the default black in MATLAB. So I'll be showing you how to change the color of a plot title in MATLAB today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I've already got the plot that I want to plot. So if I run this, we'll see my plot over here. The title just says line plot and it's in black. So now, to change the color of my title, what you're going to do is inside the title function, inside the label, you're going to type a backslash and caps and then color. So you're going to write that, and then you're going to type a pair of curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets will be the color that you want your title to change to. So I've chosen blue. So now if I run this, as you can see, the color of my title has now changed to blue. And yeah, that's basically it. It's quite simple. So if you wanted to know how to change the color of a plot title in MATLAB, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.